Paula Burton, and I'm going to be stepping you through this mass dynamics video on how to create a protein list. So creating a protein list is really important because it is going to be the first step to help you make sense of your data using mass dynamics. So what is a protein list? It is a group of all the proteins that you're interested in. So you can think of it as a place you can take a snapshot to help tell a story about your data. The second thing is that by setting up a protein list, you're also setting yourself up to be able to use other mass dynamics features like replicate analysis or performing over-representation analysis using the Reactome integration, as well as other myriad of features that we're going to be developing over time. We'll have separate videos for these kinds of activities available really soon. So to get started with creating your protein list, you can either sign up for a free membership if you haven't got one already, or log in to your existing account. So you navigate to your experiment. In this case, I'm using the sample data that we have provided, and you head to the analysis tab. So from here, you will find your way to the volcano plot, and you can do a couple of things to start with. You can zoom in or out of the volcano plot, or you can also pan, and that'll give you a good sense of what you're looking at with your data. You can also hover over each protein and learn a little bit more about it. And then from here, you can also start building up your protein lists, and you can do that a couple of ways. So by clicking here, you can highlight the proteins that you have of interest. And for this particular example, I'm interested in every protein that is twofold ratio and has an FDR of less than 5%. So I've highlighted those, and I can create a list, and I'm going to call it up demo for this case. And as you can see here, there's a default one called candidate. So that's how I've created one. If you happen to want to add an individual protein list, you can do so from the table here as you need. If you've got many groupings of proteins that you're interested in, you can also create many protein lists. So for example, if I wanted to do a group of downregulated with the same kind of filters, I would do so like this. So now we've got an up demo and a down demo. Once you've built your protein list up, you can navigate to over here under lists, and you can see both of them here. You can click on one of them, and if you want to start again, you can delete that entire protein list. The other cool thing you can do here is export the volcano that has all of those protein lists, have all of those proteins highlighted. So once you're happy with your protein lists, and certainly you can navigate back here anytime and add more proteins or remove them if you like. But once you've set them up, you can then navigate to replicate analysis or the pathways tab to do further analysis. We're constantly adding new integrations and service features, so you can definitely stay tuned for more of those in the future. So that's the basics of how you create a protein list and how it sets you up to do further analysis on mass dynamics. We hope you enjoyed it. To get started with processing, analyzing, and sharing your mass spec experiments, you can get your free membership at app.massdynamics.com and start processing. In the meanwhile, stay tuned for more videos to help you maximize mass dynamics.